During our present digital age, hard drives have proven vital to our daily lives as assistances to all functions of a computer. In this video, I will cover the different types of hard drives and how they work. Hard drives are electrical components that allow us to store large quantities of data in our devices, which, in fact, is helping you see this video. This is because the data needed to open the app is stored in your computer's hard drive. There are two types of hard drives: solid-state drives, SSD, and hard disk drives, HDD. Solid-state drives are more complicated, so in this video I will focus on HDDs, but in a future video I will discuss the workings of solid-state drives, so stay tuned. Computers store data in the form of the two binary digits, 1 and 0. This brings up the question, why do computers use binary digits to store data instead of decimal digits? This is because the binary number system consists of only 2 different digits, whereas the decimal number system consists of 10 different digits. Therefore, the binary number system is simpler than the decimal number system, creating greater efficiency in computer storage. An HDD can have a magnetic disk or an optical disk. Inside magnetic disks, there are many tiny magnets. The polarizations of these magnets can be changed to positive, north, or negative, south. North is represented by a 1 and south a 0. How do we download a file to a hard drive? To download a file, the CPU sends the binary information of the file to the central spindle and the actuator of the hard drive. The central spindle rotates the magnetic disk, thereby allowing the read-write arm to move freely across the magnetic disk. The read-write arm, which is powered by the actuator, will write the info on the hard drive by changing the polarization of the magnets to the specific requirements. For example, if a very short passage of a binary code is 101, then it will change the polarization of 2 magnets to north and 1 to south. How does a hard drive organize its files? A hard drive disk is divided into tracks. These tracks are similar to rings, increasing in size as we go farther from the center. Each of these tracks are divided into sectors. A bunch of sectors are called a cluster. This system is known as the file allocation table. To organize files, the hard drive writes down a file allocation table entry for each file. For example, a file can be located at track 3, sector 15. So, how do we extract a file from a hard drive? To extract a file, the CPU activates the actuator motor and the spindle to move the arm to the file allocation table. The arm reads the file allocation table entry and proceeds to move to the file you want to extract. The reading arm is basically a coil that contains electrons, which change direction based on the polarization of the magnets below them. Now we have optical disks. Optical disks are very similar to magnetic, except instead of different magnetic polarizations, we have pits and flats, where the pits are created by a laser. Pits represent zeros and flats represent ones. For example, if we wanted to create the binary code 0, 1, 0, we would make 2 pits and keep 1 flat. To read it, we shine light on the pits and flats to see what reflection they give. When light hits a pit, no reflection is produced. In contrast, if light hits a flat, a reflection is produced. A photoelectric sensor detects the reflection and provides a 1 or 0 based on whether there is a reflection or not. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. We hope to have 50 subscribers by the end of this year. So, if you want to support us, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications for new videos. If you like this video, watch these 2 videos below. Bye!